Okay, so today we're going to show you what is a chiropractic adjustment. Chiropractic adjustment is a gentle amount of pressure to realign the spine, to reduce the nerve pressure and allow the joints to move better. First, I'm going to palpate the spine to look for the restriction of movement. Then I'm going to make the adjustment. First, I'm going to adjust the thoracic spine, then the pelvis, then the low back, and lastly the neck. So first, I'm going to start with the thoracic spine. So you might hear a slight clicking or popping sensations. That's just gas releasing from the joints. Take a deep breath. And let it go all out.
Oh,
Okay. I'm going to go to the pelvis. Okay, now please lay down facing me on your side. I'm going to adjust the lumbar spine. So always palpate to see where's the restriction of movement of the joint, and then I adjust the joint. Yes. The other side. So I have to put you in a specific position so I can reach the joint and make the correct adjustment. Okay, I'll fix it up. Now we're going to go to the neck. Okay, good. So as you saw, it doesn't take too much. It's not a long adjustment. Main thing is after the adjustment, you're going to feel more range of motion, less discomfort, less tension on the muscles. Okay, so that was chiropractic adjustment. Hope you have one and you enjoy it. Okay.